Welcome to our comparison of the Auertech and Anypro portable washing machines. Choosing the right washing machine can be challenging, especially with so many options available. Today, we will take a closer look at these two models, examining their features, specifications, and what makes each one unique. Whether you're living in a dorm, apartment, or RV, finding a portable washing machine that meets your needs is essential. Let's dive in. The Auertech portable washing machine operates semi-automatically, requiring manual intervention for washing and spinning. In contrast, the Anypro portable washing machine is fully automatic, allowing users to set it and forget it, making laundry day much more convenient. This difference in automation can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially if you prefer a hands-off approach. When it comes to features, the Auertech offers basic functionality with separate washing and spinning tubs, while the Anypro boasts advanced features such as multiple wash programs, fuzzy control, and a child lock for safety. These additional features in the Anypro can enhance the washing experience, making it more versatile and user-friendly. Price is always a significant factor when making a purchase. The Auertech portable washing machine is priced at $269, making it a more affordable option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the Anypro is priced at $199, which may seem like a better deal, but considering its advanced features, it offers great value for those willing to invest a bit more. In conclusion, both the Auertech and Anypro portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize affordability and simplicity, the Auertech is a solid choice. However, if you prefer convenience and advanced features, the Anypro is worth the extra investment. Don't forget to check out user reviews to get a better understanding of each product's performance. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.